Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Grüns Adult Super Greens Gummies, which claims to pack greens, fruits, and superfoods into a tasty gummy. We tried them ourselves and here's our honest breakdown. The pros. First, the taste is actually enjoyable, much better than the earthy, grassy flavor of powdered greens. Second, the ingredient list includes superfoods like spirulina, chlorella, and wheatgrass, which support digestion and energy. Third, we found it easy to stay consistent since gummies feel more like a treat than a supplement. The cons. Each gummy contains sugar, which isn't ideal for people avoiding sweets. The nutrient density is lower than powdered greens, so you don't get the same concentrated benefits. And while it feels convenient, you need several gummies daily to match what one scoop of greens powder provides. Overall, Grüns gummies are not just sugary placebos. They offer a fun, accessible way to add superfoods, but they work best as a complement, not a full replacement for whole foods or stronger green powders. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.